Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Twilio Flex for contact center in cloud step by step clearly. To register with Twilio Flex for a contact center in the cloud, begin by visiting the Twilio website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage and click it. If you already have an account, choose the login option instead. Fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. Confirm your password to ensure it matches. Agree to Twilio's terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click the Get Started button to proceed. You will receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Twilio login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Upon logging in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the left-hand menu, find and select Flex. Click on Create a Flex project to begin the setup process. Choose a project name that reflects your business needs. Select your preferred region for hosting the Flex application. Click the Create button to finalize your project setup. You will be directed to the Flex dashboard. Here, you can customize your Flex environment according to your requirements. Explore the various options, such as configuring channels, agents, and managing workflows. To link a phone number to your Twilio account, go to the Phone Numbers section in the console. Click on Buy a Number and follow the prompts to select your desired number. Once purchased, assign this number to your Flex project. Finally, test your setup to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with Twilio Flex for your contact center in the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.